Brace yourselves for a journey into the treacherous realm of space, as we unveil the top 5 most dangerous objects lurking in the cosmos. From menacing asteroids to devastating cosmic phenomena, these celestial threats remind us of the immense power and unpredictability of the universe. Let's dive in. Fact 1. Killer asteroids. Did you know that asteroids, remnants of the early solar system, pose a significant threat to Earth? These rocky bodies, ranging in size from small boulders to massive behemoths, can collide with our planet, unleashing cataclysmic destruction. Vigilant observation and early detection systems are crucial to protecting our world from these potentially devastating impacts. Fact 2. Supernovae explosions. Supernovae, the colossal explosions of dying stars, are among the most powerful events in the universe. Emitting intense bursts of radiation and hurling vast amounts of stellar material into space, these cataclysms can have far-reaching consequences, shaping the cosmos and even triggering the formation of new stars. Fact 3. Black holes. Black holes, the enigmatic cosmic abysses, possess an unimaginable gravitational pull that can trap even light itself. These colossal entities can devour nearby stars, distort spacetime, and unleash powerful jets of energy, making them some of the most captivating and dangerous objects in the universe. Fact 4. Solar flares. Our very own sun, the source of life-giving warmth, can also unleash fury in the form of solar flares. These intense bursts of energy release powerful radiation, causing magnetic storms and disrupting communication systems on Earth. While beautiful to behold, solar flares serve as a reminder of the sun's immense power. Fact 5. Galactic collisions. Galactic collisions, when massive galaxies collide and merge, are cosmic spectacles with potentially catastrophic consequences. The immense gravitational forces involved can distort and reshape galaxies, triggering intense bursts of star formation and unleashing colossal amounts of energy, forever altering the structures of these celestial giants. These 5 dangerous objects in space serve as a reminder of the immense forces at play in the cosmos. From asteroids hurtling through the void to explosive supernovae, the universe presents us with awe-inspiring, yet perilous phenomena. If you found these revelations about the most dangerous objects in space as captivating as we did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders and dangers of our vast and mysterious universe. I send love and light your way.